On is up next with sports. He'll take us to the Major League Park. Hal, sure, the weather has a 1-2 punch. We've only seen punch 1.
There are more thunderstorms moving into the western part of the state right now, George, with severe thunderstorm warnings out around Huntington. However, as this next batch moves in, they probably will not be as strong for as many people because the air is a little bit cooler now from that first round, but still something to watch out for tonight. Tonight's weather is being brought to you by New River Foodland at Hyco, East Oak Hill, Beckley, Princeton, and Raynell. We've just got one big thunderstorm machine over the eastern United States today. There's a frontal boundary out there with cooler air to the north, warm and humid air to the south. Right along that frontal boundary, thunderstorms popping up. One batch moving through this afternoon, but another batch popping up in the lower Ohio Valley this evening and moving east, and actually now making it all the way into West Virginia. Those thunderstorms are moving east at about 50 miles an hour, and since mid-evening, these storms have moved and developed all the way over into the Huntington area, prompting that severe thunderstorm warning. They had quarter-sized hail not too long ago, just west of Huntington in northeastern Kentucky. The thunderstorms that moved through here earlier are now all the way over in eastern North Carolina and eastern Virginia. They caused more than 7 dozen reports of severe weather this afternoon as they moved through. The worst of it not in our area. The worst of it was in other places such as Franklin County in Virginia, south of Roanoke, where they had softball-size hail. Also softball-size hail at Greensboro, North Carolina. To the west, 100-mile-an-hour winds south of Louisville at Elizabethtown, Kentucky. That can do as much damage as a small tornado. Locally, we had our share of severe weather, though, with some large hail in a number of places. Golf ball size, 1 3/4 inches across out at Williamson. 1-inch hail all the way across southern West Virginia as the storms moved through over into Greenbrier and Monroe counties. In terms of wind, we had trees downed in many places in the southern third of the state from 50 to 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. This evening, we've got a warm front to our north. That is what caused those thunderstorms earlier today. This next round is with a cold front that's moving through as a wave moves along that front. Once this all moves through, things will start to calm down tomorrow, and high pressure behind this front will bring us probably a decent end to the weekend. Around the local area tonight, temperatures are still down from those thunderstorms earlier today, readings in the 50s to lower 60s. At the Weather Service, cloudy and 55 degrees. The dew point at 54, relative humidity 96%. A calm wind, the barometer 29.86 inches and rising. The low is 55, the current reading. The high 73, within a couple of degrees of average. The records are 40 for the low from 1969, 83 for the high from 1973. Tomorrow morning, the cold front will be moving through to our east. By tomorrow evening, things will quiet down and give us a better end to the weekend. We'll come back and look at the forecast next. Overnight, showers and thunderstorms redeveloping mild with near steady temperatures and south winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, but locally stronger and gustier in thunderstorms. Also, if you were in a place that had some heavy rain earlier today, be aware that if you get more heavy rain tonight, some streams could rise quickly as the thunderstorms move through. Tomorrow, a chance of some morning showers, then partial clearing taking place. Southwest winds 5 to 15 miles an hour and highs 72 to 78. Tomorrow night, mostly clear and cooler, lows 48 to 55. On Sunday, partly sunny and a pleasant afternoon, highs in the 70s. The extended outlook has fair weather expected Monday through Wednesday and a warming trend. Temperatures will be in the 50s for lows on Monday, highs in the lower 80s, warming up to lows around 60 Tuesday and Wednesday and highs in the mid-80s, maybe even 90 at low elevations. Tonight's weather was brought to you by New River Foodland at Hyco, East Oak Hill, Beckley, Princeton, and Raynell.
All right, thanks, Al.